Hello friends, this is a 3D printer and here we are making lithophane box. This box is a cube of side 10 centimeter. Out of 6 faces, only 4 faces are printed with lithophanes. Front face, top face, right face and left face. In this box, top face is printed separately. To make the experience better, we need lithophane box, one LED bulb, one cable of male and female USB, and one 5-volt adapter. It takes lot of effort and time to make lithophane box. 3D printer had taken total 33 hours to make this lithophane box. Let's plug in our adapter. It looks amazing. You can use it for gifting the memories to your near and dear ones. You can order it by contacting the number given on the screen. Or you can order it on Flipkart or Amazon. The link is given in the description box.